Namaste everyone. Welcome to the meditation class. You must have seen today's meditation is called Soham meditation. It's a very popular meditation used by many institutions in ashrams in India. Extremely popular. And we will be practicing that today. I can guarantee you that when you practice Soham meditation, you will feel something different after doing it. And even while doing it, it's the vibratory effect of sounds that are known to have a very deep effect on us, but not all sounds. Certain sounds, when done in a repetitive fashion, are like a pendulum. They cause what is called a resonance in our spiritual being. And to understand the pendulum, what happens in a pendulum? If a pendulum is swinging like this, if you want to make the pendulum go higher and higher, you have to push it at the right place. So when it comes towards your hand, you have to give it a push when it's just about to go in the other direction, and then it goes higher and higher. Another example is a swing. If somebody is sitting on a swing, you have to push at the right moment for it to go higher. So mantra chanting is like a resonance. It's a resonant thing on your spiritual entity. How it happens, nobody knows. It happens at the level of the subtle body. We have three bodies according to yogic philosophy. The physical body that we all know, and then there is the subtle body. And then there's a third body called causal body, or this Karana Sharira, which is the cause of everything. And then there is the subtle body. The subtle body consists of the 5 pranas. In Sanskrit, they are called pranas or energies. In Chinese medicine, they are called qi. In Japanese medicine or Japanese philosophy, they are called ki. You must have heard the word Reiki and Tai Chi. That's what they are referring to. They are all types of energies. And these energies make up the subtle body, part of the subtle body. And the subtle body also consists of what are called subtle nerves. And all the functions of your body happen from there. Like your heartbeat is controlled from there. Your emotions are controlled from there. And most of the subconscious processes, the subconscious is in between your conscious and the subtle body and receives messages from the subtle body. So our health depends a lot on the health of the subtle body. Now the chanting has a maximum effect on the subtle body, brings a lot of calm, and also takes us closer to our real nature, our inner self, as you must have seen in the slide. It appears to be some kind of hypnotic effect, but it's not hypnosis. It is more spiritual. There's a spiritual vibration getting set up within you that is somehow taking you away from this mind, body, intellect complex into some other dimension, which we try to explore in yoga. And yoga, the word yoga means union, and it is exactly referring to the union with that, the union with that which is the source of everything. We think that we are thinking with our mind, but we are not thinking with the mind. We are thinking because of the enlivening power of the consciousness, which is allowing the mind to think. As one of the ancient scriptures says, that which the mind cannot feel, but because of which the mind is able to feel. Your mind is able to feel because of the enlivening entity called consciousness. So Soham meditation is very simple. All you have to do is to hear the sound so when you are inhaling. So when you are inhaling, just mentally, or you can loudly also, you can say the word so. So, and when you're exhaling, just say the word hum. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. You can either say it loudly or make a sound, not loud, make a sound, or you can mentally say it to yourself also. Mental Soham chanting is as effective as actually saying Soham. In a group class, it is better to do it mentally because one person's so will interfere with somebody else's hum or something like that. So there is a synchronization problem. So when I do the guided meditation, I will do the Soham sound a few times, but then I will stop after some time, and then I will change to mental, and that is the time when you go into your silence, but do not miss even a single Soham. So when you inhale, try to make your breath a little noisy for yourself so it sounds like so, and you'll actually hear the sound. When you exhale, you'll hear the sound hum, and when you inhale, you'll hear the sound so. And we'll do this for some time in silence. So let us start with the guided part first, and then we will go into the silence.